What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you next big meme coin on Avalanche blockchain. This meme coin just came out today. It's getting a lot of hype and it's been growing very well. But before we show the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So this project as a meme coin, it truly can do probably 100x, 1000x, 10,000x, maybe even more. And I'll show you how it actually performed today. And it just came out today. So this project is called Big Red. And as you can see, contract address here, they have a Telegram group and they have a website. So you can scroll through and read through their Twitter posts. And then if we go to their website homepage, right here is like how to buy homepage and then contract address and just a little bit more about this project. You can find all the info here. And then let's pull it up. The most important part is the DEX tools. So in the DEX tools right here, as you can see, this project was launched today. And since it launched, it went up 65,000% from launch. So it did already 658x from the start. This is amazing. This project is flying. And as you can see right here, some of the information: market cap 11 million, holders only 2,000 holders. So this number is going to be growing probably every 10 minutes or every hour. And the circulation supply is only 1 trillion tokens. And 24-hour trading volume is almost 4.5 million. So this project is truly flying. This is meme coin on Avalanche. Gas fees are very cheap, and Avalanche is been getting a lot of attention lately, and especially because it doesn't really have a lot of meme coins. It has few, but this is, I think, is going to be one of the second biggest meme coin on Avalanche blockchain. And then if you would like to purchase, what you can do just from the DEX tool right here, just press on DEX swap, spend that, and then the ticker for it TD for a Big Red, and then you can swap it. You can just change this from Avalanche to TD and then just connect your wallet and you can swap here, or you can try to trade it on Trader Joe. And this is pretty much it. This is a quick alpha for you guys, and as you can see, it's hot #1, just the meme coin that just got launched today. All the links for the meme coin I'm gonna leave in the description below. Thanks for watching.